Welcome to Eastern Wisdom Coaching. It has twofold goals: bring an end to the sufferings in personal, professional, social life, and awaken to your real self or real nature of permanent peace, happiness, love, truth, and wisdom, creativity. The teaching is based on the authentic teachings of great masters over a period of 10,000 years. We will walk you through understanding the purpose of life, the goal of life and goals in life, how to bring an end to the suffering, build self confidence, become creative and happy.